say. Like, it just, I landed and it was just like.
Yeah, baby boy. Okay, guys, another problem with our tour. Anyway, come to TrickStrong, come to TrickStrong.
What's up? This is Current Neil. Spoiler alert, I lived through the tour. But basically, we're gonna be filling up a lot of the holes in the story here because a lot of the tour was go, go, go. We didn't get a chance to introduce every new section or area. In the last vlog, we had just come from Celia's house, that's Vivian's girlfriend, and Celia's parents took such good care of us. We had like a barbecue pool situation. It was such a nice time. This vlog, we're gonna go to Cassis. It's such a beautiful coastal town, and it goes right into the Mediterranean. So we took some kayak, and this is just like an epic adventure, honestly. We were like kayaking, waves are coming through. I have my little water speaker listening to Hans Zimmer. There's like cliffs, like very tall cliffs everywhere. But basically we kayak. It took like 3 hours and a half paddling, and we get to this one location. I cannot pronounce the name, but I will put it below here. And man, this beach was so beautiful. It's actually incredible. And then there was, of course, a cliff diving spot, so we had to go and jump. It was probably about like 20, 25 feet. And Charles, of course, does some flips off of it. I'm good with the pencil dive for now, but I will get there. And then we had to kayak back. And for some people, I mean, it's really physical to go there and back. I was actually very surprised. It was like,
baby boy. Hello. Hello. Shoot.
We're at 6, they're trying to go to 8.
If you are coming with us over there, we anyway.
Okay, guys, another problem with our tour. Anyway, come to TrickStrong, come to TrickStrong. Come to TrickStrong. Come to what?
Okay, yeah, it was a little scary, but I've never cared about anything in my life.
Are you okay? Whoa.
Go.
Yeah, my boy! Very good! La technique, messieurs, dames, c'est de parler, d'aller.
Beautiful.
I was like, where's on you?
What a key. Whoa! What a key, bro. Let's go.
Dude, that was dope!
So at this point, we had a very nice night at Charles's dad's house. It was amazing. We had a really good night's rest. And then we go to Charles's mom's house. It wasn't too far away. So we went to the pool. We brought the air track, we pulled it out for like maybe one of the only times in the tour we had this air track the whole time. But we use it today, we trained on it, super fun. Yeah, as the day progressed, we started doing some stunts into the pool, some flips, and then we ended up with an epic game called Slip and Flip, which is basically air track, like the night dew kind of hit it, so it was a little moist already. So now we just put a little more water on it and we just slip on it, and then you go and you flip your drink cup, and then you drink, and then you run back, and it's kind of like a relay race between people. It was hilarious. But yeah, sorry, none of this footage has sound because there's a lot of moving parts when you're on tour, and the mic wasn't connected. And you might ask, what's the point of what you guys are doing here? Well, this is a nice view, but what's not nice is that the other van's breaking down constantly. So they were a little bit in front of us, but yeah, we just stopped for a bit and like right on the highway. And they're able to move again, but like every few minutes it's kind of like breaking down, so should be interesting. We have a lot of the tour left, so yeah, this is like the third time this is happening at least. Couldn't tell you. It's probably why men's life expectancy is lower.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You wanna be strong like TrickStrong? Eat fire.
Way. No fucking way.
Eat fire.
Oh no, baby.
I tried. It
You
felt
felt
weird.
it? No, you're fucking crazy.
Whatever.
She's crazier than me. What the f? Yeah, come to TrickStrong, bitches. I don't even know what to say. Like, it just, I landed, and it was just like. Oh, listen.
This was supposed to happen.
You said do it again.
Yeah, I thought you will do like standing backflip, not like really high double full.
That's not good.
Holy shit.
That was catch.
That was
Yeah.
so gross. Yeah, I'm completely fine.
Yeah.
I just like feel bad. Is that okay?
No, I'm glad it broke actually because this shit is dangerous. If the kids are playing.
No, right.
We just got the can. Did I pronounce it right for you?
Very good.
Very good. Yeah, we're just gonna do some flips, enjoy the city. Like, yeah, it's another epic city again. We're having good times. It's awesome. That's it. I picked up swag feet, which I kind of hate, but.
I'm doing this a lot.
Hey, Neil. Be in the shots.
We're here, right? Yo, this is beautiful. Like, crazy.
Yo, where are you going after all that?
I'm going as close at sea level as possible.
Look, this was the drop he almost did. Would have been bad. It's at least 10 feet. It's like a beautiful like alleyway and stuff, and these guys are twerking over there. Yo, found a sick place to do some flips. I don't usually do stuff off of things, so this will be a good way to progress and be kind of safe about it. Yo!
Let's go.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Yo!
That's what we like. Let's get it! Let's get it!
Yeah, good. Yeah, Rick, nice. Nice, go. Yeah. Nice. I think this one was under rotated. So yeah, I had to wait for
Good job.